Here's the Rheem running in heating mode. It's like 50 something degrees. At 25 frames per second. So at least the camera shows the blade stuck in the right direction. Rheem plastic. Very nice unit. I should have kept filming because it shut off. Copeland scroll. And I'm gonna get the camera in the macro and get a close up of everything. Hold on just a second. Alright. '35th week of 2006.